He who is alive is often taken for granted, while he who is dead will be remembered forever. Hello viewers, I'm Avni Rawat and thank you all for tuning in. India is a land of diversity and I am proud to be a part of it. Despite our different languages, cultures, religions, traditions, festivals and so on, we are all united and that is the beauty of this nation. We are so diverse that, on one hand, India is reaching new heights as athletes like Manu Bhakar, Sarabjot Singh, Swapnil Koshali are making us feel proud by winning medals at the Paris Olympics 2024. On the other hand, it is sorrowful to witness the tragic incidents that have been happening in the recent past due to casualties and administrative inefficiencies. These include the tragic stampede that happened at a religious gathering in Hathras led by Baba Suraj Pal, which resulted in 121 deaths. The sudden waterlogging in the basement of a coaching institute in Delhi's old Rajendra Nagar, which led to the death of 3 aspirants, and the death of 1 student due to an electric shock on a flooded road in Patel Nagar. The death count in Himachal Pradesh rises to 13 after the cloudburst and landslides, and over 40 people are still missing. And how can I go without mentioning the heavy rains followed by landslides in the Wayanad district of Kerala, resulting in 89 confirmed deaths so far. Time and again, these events serve as a call to action. Raising awareness about these issues, addressing administrative inefficiencies, enforcing safety regulations, and improving disaster preparedness are crucial steps to prevent such tragedies in the future. I hope my message has reached to you all. Thank you.